In this video, I'll show you how to buy a product from Expertnaire. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for lots of people who may not know, Expertnaire is a digital product marketplace which consists of lots of digital products which online entrepreneurs can buy and get started with to seek knowledge, wisdom, and lots of other educational purposes, right? So if you want to buy a product on Expertnaire, what you need to do, you need to head over to your Chrome browser and type in Expertnaire in this Google search bar. Expertnaire. So we have been given a recommendation. I'll click on this. So this is their site. I'll click on this. You'd scroll down. So these are some products listed on Expertnaire digital platform, right? So if you want to buy a product on Expertnaire, you need to head over to this site. I'll be dropping the site link in this video description, right? So if you want to get access to this, check this video description. So these are the digital courses listed here on Expertnaire product marketplace. So you can come on here and select any of them you want to purchase, right? So let's say I want to purchase this 7-figure funnel agency program. You'd click on this see full details. Once I've clicked on it, you wait for it to load. Yeah, so it has opened. So this is the landing page of this product, right? So you'd scroll down. So this is the creator of the program, Moshood Bareke, a sales funnel expert. So to purchase this product now, what you need to do, you need to scroll down. You need to read through this product landing page, right? Understand everything and what the course truly entails. Once you're done with that, you'd scroll down till the very bottom of the product, and once you have done that, you'd see grant me, you'd be given an option to purchase this course. Grant me lifetime access. Yeah, I would click on this. This is just an instance, right? So once I've clicked on this, you'd be given a how to order option, right? And if you need help, you can email Expertnaire platform with this in case you have some problems as regards to your payment. So you'd enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email address, enter your phone number, then you choose a payment method. You can choose Paystack, you can choose Flutterwave if you want to pay in US dollars, you can choose Flutterwave if you want to pay in Naira as well. So once you're done with that, you would click on this checkout. You would purchase this course automatically, and once you have done that, you'd receive an email notification that you have purchased this course, right? Once you have done that, you'll be given access to this course automatically. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.